Hello, welcome to a morning review. This is Kim Watson speaking on Tuesday the 28th of October. Okay, looking at the euro dollar first, and as you can see yesterday we had a continuation, didn't quite have a pivot swing to run off as I said yesterday, but it did move up reasonably well, mostly in the afternoon. We saw the rally. Now consolidating here where we're sitting at the moment. We've put a series of high lows in, high highs, so it certainly looks like it could continue to the upside at some point, and it does look like a little bullish flag here. However, the morning sessions can be quite fickle. I've drawn on this hourly chart. I've got sort of a, let me just make it clearer. There we go. Got the support level here to the lower side because we are in a consolidated phase here. And they can, at this time of the day, they can be quite fickle how they break. If we were to break to the downside, well, we have got the 50 below us. That was tested yesterday again. In fact, that was the first probably proper test of it yesterday, along with its daily pivot. But it could be tested again. It would be a target if it did break down towards there, although not very many points away. A break of the upper band, upper trend line sitting there as this sort of say flag. It doesn't look so much of a flag when you look at it on hourly. It's been consolidated for a bit too long. But that said, break of the upside could push back towards the 200 in the short term, and then really I'm just looking across previous days highs. I mean, we've got a bit of resistance at 27.36, and then we're in pretty open period on the hourlies there. You'd have to come out to the 4 hourlies, look at the 4 hourly 50, then the 200 for possible resistance. But both the 50 was hit pretty early, and the 200, well, that's been chopped all over the place. But that could come back into play once again, sitting around where that 34 is on the daily. Okay, and then I'll just watch for that trend line. If it does have a decent push up, watch for that trend line from the daily highs. Right, that's the euro dollar. No significant news due out today on the euro dollar. We have got later on in the US the core durable goods orders, but they've given us very little movement, so not expecting a significant movement around that news. Maybe a little bit of added volatility, but really concentrating on the morning here. And what we've got, again, consolidation. We've got a series it's easy to see on the 4 hourlies here of higher highs, higher lows, and it's consolidating again here, and again the consolidation period is quite high. If we break out this consolidation where we've got the 4 hourly 200 above us, if it runs to the upside, along with that daily 34, and then beyond that we've got the daily 50, and if it can get anywhere near it, it's got a monthly pivot just above that at 163.03, but it may struggle to get there, but who knows, during this week it may just get the stats done for me. I've drawn on the hourlies here as a bit of consolidation where we are at the moment. A break of the lows may see us back down towards that 34, even the 50. The trend is really starting to move towards the upper side here, so I'd really prefer to break out the top side there and push up a bit further, but again, it may just run into yesterday's highs. If it can break beyond yesterday's highs, well, it does have, as I say, periods on the higher time frame there of resistance. So I'd be looking at the 200, the 4 hourly 200 initially. Okay, that's it for me. Have a great day. Bye for now.